Ir con. Ir con. What does this mean? Ir con. Ir con means to go with. If you're talking about going with someone to a place, you need to use this. You're going to a place with someone, right? Ir con. You can even say it, ir a, place, con, person. So it can be both. You can use both a and con. But in this situation, we're just gonna focus on ir con, ir con, ir con. For example, I can say, voy con mis amigos a tomar café. Voy con mis amigos a tomar café. So what does this mean? This means, not that. This means I'm going with my friends to have coffee or just to drink coffee. Okay? So you're explaining someone that you're going with someone to do something. Voy, yo voy. You don't need yo, you need voy. Man, the color of my brush changed. I don't know how. Voy, yo voy. I am going. Remember, technically you're saying I go. Okay, I go. But remember, English and Spanish both are different languages, so we cannot translate word by word. Okay, voy, very similar. It's very similar to saying I'm going. Con, with. Okay, that's what it means, con. Mis means my. Okay, my. And we're adding the letter S to me because we have a plural noun, amigos. Amigos is plural, and that means friends. Mis amigos, my friends. Mi amigo, my friend. So there's a difference there. Very clear difference. A, we're using a here. To, just like saying ir a. So when you use ir a, then you're adding a place or an action. In this situation, you're drinking coffee, right? To, tomar. Tomar means to take physically something or to drink. It's similar to beber. Tomar, beber, they mean the same thing, to drink. In this situation, in English, you can say to have, right? To have some coffee, or more literal, to drink some coffee. Café, coffee. Okay? Excellent. Voy con mis amigos a tomar café. I'm going with my friends to have some coffee, to drink coffee. Excellent. Excellent. Now, let's look at another example using ir con. Remember, this is the verb right here, ir. I know it doesn't look like ir, but remember, ir has an irregular conjugation, so it looks completely different. Yo voy, tú vas, él fue, nosotros vamos, ustedes fueron. So it's a very regular conjugation. So it's very important to memorize it and practice it. So you learn it completely. You can master this verb ir. Okay. Now let's look at another example. ¿Con quién vas a salir? ¿Con quién vas a salir? We have a question here. Where is ir con in the sentence? Well, let's look at the translation. Who are you going out with? Okay, so we can see con here, con, and vas, that's the verb ir, conjugated. Tú vas, okay? We don't need tú, we need vas. So essentially you are saying going out, going with. When you add a salir, that phrase, that means going out. Voy a salir hoy. I'm going out today. Voy a salir con mis amigos. I'm going out with my friends. So ir a salir, I know it sounds weird, but if you add a salir to ir, obviously ir is conjugated, then you have going out, okay? Going out. This is very interesting. And then we have quién, okay? Quién means who. Quién, who. But are you, we don't have are you, something similar to are you in Spanish here. So essentially you're saying who you going out with. Okay, we don't have you because we don't need it. Remember, in Spanish we don't use personal pronouns all the time, so we don't need it there. It's not there. But you have, vas a, and we have con. So this is a bit more, complex situation here. But let me try to simplify this for you. When you have con quién, means who are you doing something with, who are you doing something with? So we don't have it here, who, quién, and then we have con, with, okay? So con quién estás? You can say con quién estás? Who are you with? Okay, let me just give you more examples so you understand how con quién works. Con quién estás? If you're, on the phone, talking to someone, your friend, your wife, your boyfriend, and that person tells you or asks you, ¿con quién estás? ¿Con quién estás? ¿Con quién estás? This means who are you with? Okay. When you have ¿con quién vas? That means who are you going with? Okay, so that's the meaning. So if I have something more complicated, as in, this question here. Okay, so we actually, what we did here, let me just erase this. We had it like this, right? We had it like this. Who are you with? Okay, that's the meaning, just like that. But if you add a salir, ¿con quién vas a salir? Remember, a salir means going out. Ir a salir. Vas a salir, going out. Okay, so that's what we have here. And we have now the translation, the complete translation. ¿Con quién vas a salir? Who are you going out with? Okay, so just remember that con quién can be used in different ways. You can just add a verb. ¿Con quién caminas? Who are you walking with? I mean, silly example, but you know what I mean. ¿Con quién comes? Who are you eating with? ¿Con quién, just like that. ¿Con quién estás? Who are you with? Okay, so just keep that in mind. Con quién is a common thing to say in Spanish. And it's pretty much you're just asking who are you going to do something with. Okay, so in this situation, con quién vas a salir, that means who are you going out with. Okay, I hope that was clear.